This is the Silverblood Inn. I'll let you figure out who owns it by yourself.
There's no shipments coming. You a fighting gal? How about a little
You say
bet?
something about a bet?
I'm drunk, and it's been a while since I had a good fight. 100 septum says I can take
We
you
don't
barehanded.
We, talk loudly.
I've got better things to do.
Milk drinker.
Son, I hope not.
I think I'm going to get another drink.
Ugly redhead rolled around on the floor. What can I do? Yes?
Can I make a request?
Sure. What can I do for you?
Can you sing Ragnar the Red?
Ah, a fine but bloody tale. I can do that one. This is a local favorite and one of the first songs I ever learned. Ragnar the Red. Oh.
You're still alive. Glad you're here. Stay sharp. I have to admit, this is more fun than I thought it'd be. What the
This is a
rebels
local
like to
favorite
forget
and one of the
is that
first
the
songs
Empire
I
is
ever
what's
learned.
keeping the Dominion
Ragnar
out of
the
Skyrim.
Red. Oh, the one... Faendal thinks he can woo Camilla Valerius away from me. She's already mine, I keep telling him.
Can I make a request?
Sure. What can I do for you?
Can you sing Ragnar the Red?
Ah,
Keep your guard
fine
up.
but bloody tale. I can do that one. This is a local favorite and
Who do you think
one of the
killed more
first
rebels?
I enjoy this work well enough, but I'm ready to retire. I've been thinking of selling the inn to Isolda. Anyway, what do you need? What can I get you?
Give me the latest gossip.
The companions? In Jorvaskr? They're recruiting new members from what I hear.
What have you got for sale?
Take a look. Need anything else? Just let me know.
Need something?
What's on the menu?
Depends. Are you thirsty? Hungry? Both. All right then. Want to hear a little Nord wisdom? You don't really know a woman till you've had a strong drink and a fist fight with her. Think you can go blade to blade
You think
with
you can take me
You'd
on?
be dead in 6 seconds. And why not? I could beat anyone in this city, barehanded. 100 gold says I knock your hide to the ground. Good. Chat time's over.
It's a fine day with you around. Once I've made enough money trading with the Khajiit caravans, I'm going to buy the bannered mare from Hulda.
You mentioned trading caravans?
Yeah, these Khajiit make a living traveling the roads and selling their wares. It's got to be tough. Skyrim's a hard enough land when you've got a roof over your head. Worst thing is, nobody wants them in the cities. Nobody trusts them.
Ripe fruit and fresh vegetables for sale?
I spend a lot of time at the market stall so I can learn the merchant's trade. I need more experience if I'm going to run an inn someday.
What do you know of the Khajiit?
About the same as everyone else. They're the catfolk of Elsewhere. Great warriors, good traders. Way I hear it, Elsewhere ain't nothing like Skyrim. It's got tropical forests and dusty badlands. It sounds awful.
You mentioned trading caravans?
Yeah, These Khajiit make a living traveling the roads and selling their wares. It's got to be tough. Skyrim's a hard enough land when you've got a roof over your head. Worst thing is, nobody wants them in the cities. Nobody trusts them.
Why not?
Reputation mostly. A lot of Khajiit turn to smuggling and thievery to get by. A few bad apples spoil the bunch. You know how it is. Farewell.
My brother Vilkas is a better talker than me. He should be around someplace. Thinking I need to train some more.
Who are the companions?
The companions are my family. We fight so that other people don't have to. We bring honor and glory to ourselves and each other. All right then. I'm here to help. All right then. Thinking I need to train some more.
Here to be a companion? Well, they just let me in, so there's probably no more room.
If you wish to hunt with me, your feet need to be quick and your eyes quicker.
I've heard some rumors about you and Skjor.
And if you want to keep having ears, you'll pretend you didn't. Is it not allowed?
Who's in charge around here?
Forbidden, but even so,
The Circle are the ones who parcel out the jobs. That's Ayla, Skjor, and the brothers, Farkas and Vilkas. Kodlak advises them, but he doesn't really give orders. Good day.
Ysgramor himself wouldn't have the patience to deal with all the rabble around here.
Good afternoon.
You don't belong here. What do you think you have to offer?
Who's in charge around here?
You don't just waddle in here and get to speak to the boss. Who do you think you are? If you want to embarrass yourself, I won't stop you. Kodlak is the Harbinger. He's the closest thing you'll find to a leader around here. Now, if you'll excuse me.
And what might you need?
You're someone who can get things done. I like that. You come to Dawnstar at a bad time. Tempers are fiery.
Anything else you need, my Jarl?
There is room in my court for a new Thane. It's an honorary title mainly, but there are a few perks someone like you could make use of. However, I could only grant the title to someone who is known throughout my hold. You help my people, and I'll make you my Thane.
It would be an honor.
Good luck.
I've helped your people.
Then by my right as Jarl, I name you Thane of the Pale. Congratulations. I grant you a personal housecarl, and this weapon from my armory to serve as your badge of office. I'll also notify my guards of your new title. Wouldn't want them to think you're part of the common rabble now.
How's the war going?
The Empire has stretched itself too far. This rebellion in Skyrim is one problem, but solving it won't fix everything. But that's the kind of talk an old warhorse shouldn't be making. Don't worry. I have my problems with the Empire, but I'm still a soldier first. We'll keep peace and order in Dawnstar. Stay out of trouble now.